Golden Krust boss Lowell Hawthorne dies in suspected suicide. CEO of popular Jamaican restaurant Golden Krust Caribbean Bakery Grill, Lowell Hawthorne reportedly killed himself inside his Bronx factory in New York on Saturday. Hawthorne, 57-year-old, is believed to have shot himself inside the Park Avenue building near E173rd Street in Claremont about 5:30 p.m., sources said. More than a dozen current and former employees stood in disbelief outside the factory hours later, some had tears rolling down their cheeks. Golden Krust Caribbean Bakery Grill operates a chain of over 100 restaurants in 9 states: New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Georgia, Florida, Maryland, North Carolina, and Massachusetts. In 1989, Hawthorne, along with his wife Lorna, 4 of his siblings and their spouses, pooled all their resources to open the first Golden Krust retail location on East Gun Hill Road in Bronx, New York. By 1996, they owned 17 restaurants throughout New York City. The business became so successful that the Hawthornes were encouraged to create franchises, and they seized the opportunity to do just that. He built the Jamaican beef patty purveyor into a national empire, boasting more than 120 restaurants across the United States. It also produced more than 50 million patties a year for retail stores and supplies them to about 20,000 outlets. We believe in the power of the patty, Hawthorne, a former winner of the Observer's Business Leader Award, said in May. Some of his employees said they suspected something was amiss when they spotted his car, a silver Tesla 85D, parked oddly outside the factory. It was left straddling 2 lanes. Everett Woods said he loved working with Hawthorne. He was a nice boss, a wonderful guy, said Woods, an employee since 2003. He's the kind of guy you want to work for that long. He takes care of his employees. Woods said he was stunned to learn that Hawthorne had taken his life. I didn't believe the news when I heard it at first, Woods added. I don't know if the pressure of running the business was too much, but I am shocked. Hawthorne, who is often referred to as the Patty King, represented the best of Jamaica in the diaspora. Lowell was a true Jamaican patriot. He exemplified hard work, dignity, positive attitude, and high standards. Jamaica has lost a son, ambassador, and friend. Hawthorne was a popular person in the United States, especially in the diaspora, who generously supported many programs in his homeland over the years and remained true to the land of his birth. He has left behind a model for success that will serve many generations to come. A graduate of Oberlin High School in West Rural St. Andrew, Hawthorne, who went to the United States in 1981 in pursuit of the American dream, has defied all odds to actually find it. He, along with his family, built Golden Krust into the largest manufacturer of Jamaican patties overseas. Condolences to his family, friends, workers, colleagues, and customers. He will surely be missed. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.